Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm going to teach you ANPR system, automatic number plate recognition system. First of all, you need to install Python and Jupyter Notebook. Open up command prompt and type Python -v. Okay, I have installed Python many months ago. The version I'm using is 3.7.9. Okay, and then you go to the browser. Okay, and the latest version is 3.10 and released on 4th of October 2021. Okay, now open up command prompt again and to the script folder that's inside Python folder and type pip install Jupyter. Okay, now you are inside the Python 3.7.9 version folder, and then you open up the script folder, and then you can type in small capital letter and pip. Okay, and pip install Jupyter. Okay, this command will install Jupyter software in your computer. I've installed Jupyter Notebook, and so I will not install again. Okay, next you go to the um, C command prompt, and then you can create a folder, a new folder, and I create this folder and I name it Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and then you open up the command prompt. Okay, in the command prompt, okay, you can just type Jupyter Notebook. Okay, and you click enter, and then this will bring you to the server localhost at 3 ANPR, because I have created another folder and I name it ANPR, or automatic nameplate recognition. So today this video will cover number one, reading in images to OpenCV. This is image pre-processing. And number two, detecting number plate using edge detection. This is to find the contour. And number three, extracting number plate text using easy OCR. Now we go back to the Jupyter Notebook, the localhost server. Okay, first we need the heading. So we just click this heading, and then with single hash, and then the name of the heading is automatic number plate recognition system, and then we click run. Okay, next we will have 6 subheading. Okay, and then we click this heading again. The subheading you will need to type 2 hash, and then the number 1. The name of this the first subheading is install and import dependency. Okay, and then you click run, and then okay, we need another subheading number 2 with double hash, and then 2. The second one is read in image, and then grayscale, enter. Okay, we click run again, and we need third subheading with double hash, number 3, apply filter, and hash detection. Okay, click run, and then subheading number 4 with double hash 4 is the contour detection and masking to isolate component. Okay, we click run, and we still have two subheadings. Subheading number 5, double hash 5, extracting text from image by using easy OCR. Okay, and run again, and then subheading number 6, double hash, and then number 6, render result, and then run. Okay, this render result is to detach the number plate from the image. So first and foremost, navigate your browser and type this URL address. DOCS stands for document, and then opencv.org. Okay, and then you can scroll down. Okay, and I think you need to study the documentation. Okay, so before you continue, okay, you have to study this OpenCV modules. Okay, next, navigate to GitHub. Okay, github.com, and then you type in the search bar, you type easy OCR. Okay, and then we'll bring you to navigate to this page, and then you scroll down. Okay, there are many images here. Okay, so this easy OCR can extract the number, okay, from the number plate, but also can extract the number, okay, or character from the sideboard. Okay, I think you need to spend your time to study documentation of this easy OCR. So in order to facilitate using this easy OCR, and you need to have this PyTorch. Okay, PyTorch. So okay, you need to know the specification or before you install the Python. Okay, first is the Python build, which I recommend this stable version 1.11.0, and then your operating system, which I am using the Windows, and then for package I am using pip because I didn't install Anaconda. And then for programming languages, I am currently using the Python. And for computer platform, if you have this GPU NVIDIA display card, then you can either select CUDA 10.2 or CUDA 11.3. If your computer don't have this NVIDIA display card, then you can just click this CPU. Okay, very easy. You just need to copy this command. Okay, only one line. Open up your command prompt and paste. Okay, and then you need to wait for a while. The size of the file is 158 megabyte. Okay, then installation. Okay, after the installation, you just type py for Python. Okay, now you are in the Python command prompt, and then you type in import torch. Okay, and then the meaning to say everything is okay. Then well done. You have installed the PyTorch. Okay, next you need to do installation of easy OCR and IMUTAL. Okay, and then just click run. Okay, after that, insert shell below. Okay, and type, and you have to import OpenCV. After you have install, after you have import OpenCV, you also need to import pyprod as PLT from the matprod library. Okay, you need to check if, okay, first you need to check if your Python, because I'm using the Python all version, so you need to check whether you have installed the matprod library. So just type in if this. Okay, and then from the list, you please check whether you got matplot library. In this case, I have installed matplot library version 3.5.1. Okay, and then third, you need to import the numpy as NP. Okay, after that, you need to import the IMUTALs as the dependency, and then lastly you need to import easy OCR. Okay, next you have to download the vehicle images from the internet, and then you have to make sure you put the images into the right folder. Okay, in this case, this folder is an ANPR, and we need to check the localhost. Okay, the name of the folder name also ANPR. Okay, and then next we need to write 3 commands. Okay, the first command is to read the image. Okay, we go back to the image folder again. Okay, the first image is image1.jpg, and then the second image is image2.jpg, and then image3.jpg. Okay, so the first command is to read the first image. The name is image1.jpg. Okay, the second line of the command is to convert the color of the image to gray color, and then the third command is to show the picture. So after we have written these 3 commands, we can click run. Okay, if you compare the color of the first image, the color of the first image is orange color. Okay, but after we convert the color to gray color, and then this picture of image 1 is now in gray color. Okay, next we need to type in another 3 command line. Okay, the first is the noise deduction. Okay, which using the bilateral filter algorithm. Okay, and then pass the image from this command line. Okay, and then the second line is the edge detection. Okay, by using the Kenny algorithm and with 30 and 200 parameter. Okay, and then the third command line is to show the image after noise detection and edge detection. Okay, and click run, and then you will see this image. Okay, next we need to type in another 3 commands. Okay, the first command is to find the contour and with 2 arguments where we need to find the most simple contour. Okay, for the second commands, by using the IM to grab the contour, and then the third line of command is to sort the contour and find the top 10 contour. Okay, after that you can run, and then if no error you can insert shell below. Okay, should be above, sorry, should be here, and then insert. Okay, and then next you need to have the location variable, and then to have the for looping to loop through the contour. Okay, and then to find the best approximation of couplet, and then put it into location. Okay, and then you can click run in. Okay, no error, then you insert another shell below and click and type location and run. Okay, everything seems fine. Okay, next I will explain 3 more command line. The first line is to apply is to using the numpy library to exactly mask the number bread with the same shape. Okay, and then the second line is to draw the contour at the location here, and then the third line is actually to draw the overlay on the mask of the original image, that by using the bitwise. Okay, run. Okay, nothing happened, no error, and then insert shell below. Okay, and then show the image. Okay, let's check the number. Couplet showing the Z number at 337, 337 and 26. Okay, to make sure this program is accurate, you can change the name, the number of the image, for example, number 2, and then run. Okay, and then okay, this number we need to run as well. Okay, RCC 361. Okay, accurate. And how about this one? Okay, this picture show that number the number in the number plate is correct, RCC 361. And then next is to extract the text from the image by using easy OCR. Okay, for these 4 commands is actually using the numpy library to set the coordinate at the 4 edges here of the number plate. And then next to crop the image. Okay, after the numpy have set the coordinate and then crop the image. Okay, the next is to show the picture of the crop image. Okay, RCC 301. Okay, after the image have been cropped. Okay, next type in another 3 commands. Okay, these 3 commands is actually render the image and read the text from the crop image. Okay, click run. Okay, because my notebook doesn't have the NVIDIA display card, but it's okay because the notebook will use the CPU to render the image. Okay, next. The final 5 command lines, the 5 commands is actually to draw the green rectangular box on the 4 edges of the couplet. Okay, and then show the text below the couplet. Okay, we run and see the result. RCC 301. How about we try image number 4? Okay, and then you need to go to the menu, click on kernel and restart and run all. Okay, go straight to the bottom and wait for a second. Okay, the green number shown at the bottom of the couplet is #982FKL, exactly the same with the number in the couplet.